I started fragrance training since 2007. So it has been almost 13 years that actually I was sent to Paris, to understand the olfactive family of fragrances and to have an experience of how fragrances are actually being made. Like makeup, it's about self-expression and what you want to be, who you want to be. Fragrance actually bring back memory. And memory will bring up to the present day that what we had before. So the association is basically with food, food that we eat, and of course, drink that we drink. A very good example that we will be having in this workshop will be tea appreciation. So come to this workshop, you will appreciate tea, how it's actually associated with fragrances and scents.